So yet again, the Honorable Supreme Court has reinforced a landmark judgment of its own in the 1980s, that is concerning the death penalty. What the Supreme Court has said is that you need to visit the Bachan Singh judgment of the 1980. This is the stand taken by the bench headed by Justice U.U. Lalit. What exactly is the case? Let's just take a snippet of it. So the Bachan Singh case of the 1980s has been, taken recourse to by the Supreme Court again, and what they have said is that after even 4 decades, still we are debating upon the most important aspects of capital punishment, that is the death penalty. So they have again invoked the spirit of Bachan Singh case and asked that psychological evaluation of the condemned prisoner, the person who is about to be sent to the gallows to be administered the death penalty or the capital punishment, his or her psychological evaluation must be done so as to gauge his psychological condition. Apart from that, they have also mandated a report which should be sought of the inmate's conduct at the time of examining whether you are sending that person to the gallows or not, right? That is कि क्या सिर्फ और सिर्फ वही एक important या कह लो सिर्फ वही एक केवल इकलौता ऑप्शन रह गया, that is the only and only option we are left with, that you are going to send that person to the death penalty or capital punishment, right? So what the bench headed by Justice U.U. Lalit has said that please revisit the doctrine of rarest of rare cases while you are handing down the capital punishment, and also you need to do a comparative analysis of the aggravating and the mitigating circumstances in the connection of the accused, right? So we have discussed all these things in detail in our weekly current affairs class, but yes, that is what again has been emphasized by the court. So if you take a look at what is the hanging process in India, so again what was said in 1980, what is again being reiterated by the Supreme Court was also reiterated in the Bachan Singh versus State of Punjab 1983 case, where the Supreme Court had elucidated upon the doctrine of rarest of rare case and had set down some of the guiding principles while deciding the death case or death sentence cases, right? So that is a brief into this particular case. We'll take up this issue somewhere in the weekly current affairs class as well, right? It has already although been discussed, but still this is very important because the Supreme Court has again touched upon it, right? So I believe you got the message that what the Supreme Court is trying to convey to us on that count. Thank you so much. Keep learning and stay tuned to our channel for such more informative short videos. Thank you and bye-bye.